know him because I have come from him, and it was he who sent me. They would have arrested him, but because his time had not yet come, no one laid a hand on him. I am not going to be long tonight, but as an introduction, the Lord would like to teach us to pray. During this retreat, I invite all of you just to let go. Just to let go. Just let go. Let go of that fear. Let go of that anxiety. Because you know whom you are going to talk to. You know whom you would like to encounter. It is the one Jesus talks about. I know him because I have come from him, and it was he who sent me. Probably Father John and the leaders of the Zimbabwe community invited you to come. But in fact, akatanga basa iroro rekushedzai kuti muye kuno kurunyararo ndi Mwari Baba. The one we dare to say, our Father, Baba vedu. This is the one who has called you. So during this retreat, dare to call him. By the way, the word dare sometimes is you interact with friends and then they step on your feet, on your toes, and say, how dare you? You remember that word? How dare you? Now, it is a relationship that signifies one you know very well. That's why you can use the word, how dare you? So this is the attitude with which we approach the Lord during this 1.5 days. How dare you? We dare to say, Baba vedu. It doesn't say, Baba vangu, Baba vedu. So the moment we begin to say that prayer, we are including even those who are stepping on our toes. We bring them all together. Those we don't agree with, those we agree with. So, Jesus is saying, yes, you know me. Yes, you know me. But please, understand. You do not accept me because you don't know who has sent me. He dares them. During this time and during the season of Lent, there are 3 things we do. Prayer, fasting, almsgiving. Prayer also with a reururo. Reururo, it's to fight the evil one, to confront and defeat the evil one. This is what Jesus is doing in today's gospel. He's confronting his adversaries and he's not giving them chance to overcome him. This is the attitude with which we come to do prayer and retreat this year. If you come shaking, okay, acknowledge that you are shaking, but shake in front of the Lord. Because he's going to make you strong. Because the one you follow, the one we follow, has shown us. Jesus knew that they were out to kill him, but he did not shrink. He went out, confronted, and defeated. Pakurayira komponesi nokuumbwa nedzidziso yeumwari tinoshinga kutaura tichiti Baba vedu, and he will give us the strength to endure these few hours of prayer, and yes, to prepare well for the Paschal festivities coming very shortly. May the Lord bless us all. Amen.
Amen.